Today, we're embarking on an incredible culinary journey, one that will tantalize your taste buds and transport you to the vibrant, bustling streets of Morocco. We're diving headfirst into the world of Moroccan street food. A universe of flavor that's as rich and diverse as the country's own history. From savory snacks to decadent sweets, we're going to explore the absolute must-try dishes that make Morocco a true foodie paradise. So grab your virtual fork and let's get started. First up, let's talk about the absolute staples. The dishes you'll see everywhere that form the heart and soul of Moroccan street food culture. And we have to begin with makouda. These are golden, deep-fried potato fritters, crispy on the outside and wonderfully soft on the inside. They're often seasoned with cumin and a hint of spice. You can eat them on their own, but the best way stuffed into a fresh piece of bread or cobs for the ultimate carb satisfaction. It's simple, cheap, and unbelievably delicious. Next, we have a soup that's practically a national treasure, Harira. This isn't just any soup. It's a hearty, flavorful mix of tomatoes, lentils, chickpeas, and a fragrant blend of herbs and spices. It's traditionally used to break the fast during Ramadan, but you'll find it simmering in pots all year round. It's warming, comforting, and packed with goodness. Another soup you'll often see, especially in the mornings, is biscuit. This is a thick, creamy soup made from dried fava beans or split peas, drizzled with olive oil and sprinkled with cumin. It's the breakfast of champions in Morocco, guaranteed to keep you going for hours. Now, let's talk about something that's synonymous with street food all over the world: skewers. In Morocco, they're called brochettes, and the smell of them grilling over hot coals is simply irresistible. You have to try the kefta brochettes, which are made from spiced ground beef or lamb, packed with herbs like parsley and cilantro. Then there's poulet, tender chunks of marinated chicken, and for the more adventurous foie or liver skewers, which are surprisingly rich and delicious, served hot off the grill, often with a side of bread. They are a smoky, savory delight. Speaking of bread, let's move on to the incredible world of Moroccan flatbreads. Msemen is an absolute must. It's a flaky, layered, square-shaped flatbread that's somewhere between a pancake and a pastry. It's stretched and folded multiple times with oil, then pan-fried until golden. You can have it plain with butter and honey, or get it stuffed with a savory mixture of spiced onions, peppers, and sometimes ground meat. Either way, it's a textural masterpiece. While we're on the topic of carbs, you absolutely cannot miss the classic cobs sandwich. Imagine a fresh, soft, round Moroccan bread still warm from the oven, sliced open and filled to the brim with a mix of grilled meats. We're talking turkey, beef, sausages, maybe some liver, all chopped up and mixed together with onions, olives, and, of course, a generous helping of fries stuffed right inside. It's a glorious, messy, and utterly satisfying meal in your hand. Now, for those of you with an adventurous palate, Morocco has some truly unique offerings. Let's start in the city of Fes with tihol, or stuffed camel spleen. Yes, you heard that right. The spleen casing is stuffed with a mixture of spiced ground beef or lamb, camel fat, and herbs. It's then cooked, sliced, and grilled or fried. It has a rich, almost sausage-like texture and a deeply savory flavor that's unlike anything else. It's a local delicacy and a true taste of traditional Moroccan cuisine. Another famous and often debated dish is babouche or snail soup. You'll see huge vats of snails boiling away in a fragrant, spiced broth. The broth itself is said to have medicinal properties and is flavored with a secret blend of over 15 different spices, including licorice root, anise, and thyme. You're given a bowl of the snails and a toothpick to pull the meat out, and then you sip the wonderfully aromatic broth. Don't be shy, give it a try. You might just love it. The head is steamed for hours until the meat is incredibly tender and literally falls off the bone. It's a communal and celebrated food experience. Rounding out our savory tours, let's talk about some more dishes you'll find bubbling away in clay tajines on the street. Laboui is a delicious white bean stew cooked in a savory tomato and spice sauce. Similarly, adus is a hearty lentil stew. Both are perfect for dipping bread into and are fantastic filling snacks. Then you have the famous Moroccan salads, which are more like cooked dips. Zolauk is a smoky eggplant and tomato dip, while toktuka is a sweet and tangy dip made from roasted peppers and tomatoes. You order a little bit of everything and scoop it all up with fresh cobs. And don't forget the sardines. Fresh sardines are stuffed with a spicy herb mixture called chamula, then deep fried until perfectly crispy. They're salty, zesty, and absolutely addictive. All right, after all that savory goodness, you know we need to satisfy our sweet tooth. And Moroccan pastries and sweets are on another level. The king of fried dough is the spit. This is the Moroccan donut, a light, airy, slightly chewy ring of dough fried to golden perfection and served piping hot. You can get it dusted with sugar or just enjoy its simple, yeasty goodness. It's the perfect breakfast or afternoon pick-me-up. Then there are the Moroccan pancakes. Bagra, known as the thousand-hole pancake, is a spongy, delicate pancake riddled with tiny holes on its surface. These holes are perfect for soaking up melted butter and honey, which is the classic way to eat them. Another one is Harcha, a pan-fried flatbread made from scalina. It has a slightly crumbly, sandy texture, almost like cornbread, and is delicious served warm with cheese or honey. When you walk past a Moroccan bakery or patisserie, the window display is a sight to behold. You'll find chabakia, these beautiful flower-shaped cookies that are fried, coated in honey, and sprinkled with sesame seeds. They have a unique, slightly chewy texture and a complex flavor from spices like anise and cinnamon. Another classic is Cob el Ghazal, or gazelle horns. These are elegant, crescent-shaped pastries filled with a sweet, fragrant almond paste and flavored with orange blossom water. They are delicate, sophisticated, and absolutely divine. And of course, no trip to Morocco is complete without talking about the drinks. The most iconic, without a doubt, is Moroccan mint tea or ati. It's more than just a drink. It's a symbol of hospitality. You'll be offered it everywhere you go, and you should always accept. For something more refreshing, look for the carts selling fresh orange juice. The oranges in Morocco are incredibly sweet, and the juice is squeezed right in front of you, pure liquid sunshine. And for a uniquely Moroccan treat, try an avocado milkshake. It's a creamy, thick, and surprisingly delicious blend of fresh avocado, milk, and sugar. It's sweet, rich, and wonderfully smooth. From savory grilled meats and hearty soups to delicate pastries and refreshing teas, the streets of Morocco are a non-stop feast for the senses. Every corner holds a new flavor, a new aroma, and a new culinary adventure waiting to be discovered. I hope this has inspired you to explore the incredible world of Moroccan street food. What's the one dish you'd want to try first? Let me know down in the comments. Thank you so much for joining me on this delicious journey today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And do not forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you do not miss our next adventure. Until next time, happy eating.